Welcome to this Dreamweaver tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create a tweet this link for you to put on your website. Now what this will allow your visitors to do is quickly share your site with all of their Twitter followers with the click of a button. So to start us off, we're just going to create a blank HTML document, go to code view, and I'm just going to delete everything out of there so that you guys can see it easier. Now later in this tutorial I'm going to actually put this onto my index page of my website. But the reason I'm doing them separate is because the code here is a little bit more, there's a lot going on and I don't want you guys to get confused of where I'm adding things. So we're just going to leave that in design view and then we're just going to copy and paste this in later. So now what we're going to do to start is create a link. So you can either go to insert hyperlink and add the things that you need in there, or you can just go and code it out like I'm going to show you how to do. So I'm just going to do a space href and I'm going to enter. And it'll put in the quotes and the equal sign for you to put in your link. And you need to put in Twitter's URL, http:// and now this is really important. You don't want to put the 3 W's. You just want to have twitter.com/home ? And then status equals. And I'm not sure why exactly the www doesn't work. It's something how Twitter has it set up, but if you have it in there, it's going to make the stuff that you have rendered out on Twitter, it's going to have like a parenthesis 20 in between where every word is, so you don't want that, so you just want to make sure you have it / Twitter. So now back to what we're doing. Basically anything after this equal sign is what's going to be put into the box on Twitter for them to post as their status. So, since it's going to go on my website, I'm just going to put something like great Photoshop Flash Dreamweaver and Illustrator tutorials. And then you should probably put a link so that you actually get some publicity from that. So I'm going to put at http://www.rivercitygraphics.com. Alright, and then let's put an exclamation point for added emphasis. So, we have that going on for us now. So this is what's actually going to be put into that box on Twitter. And I seem to have made a mistake here. It needs to be HTTP. And the reason I put this was so that it actually makes it into a link on Twitter so that they can just click it and it's easier for people to go to your website. So now what we're going to do is close this off with a closing bracket, and then we're going to have an open bracket and then hit the slash, and it should close it for you with the /a closing bracket. So now what we're going to do is actually, right now we don't have anything really typed, so we're going to add some text. So let's put, like, in front of this, we're going to put share River City Graphics with your friends, exclamation point. And then inside of, right in front of the closing A here, we're going to have tweet this page. And then a period. So now in design view you can see, well, this is kind of crunched up together. We're just going to put a space after that. And you can see we have the actual text and then we have the link right here that they can click to tweet the page that you put this on. So I'm going to go into code view, copy and paste this, and then we're going to go to my home page here, and I'm just going to click where I want it, go to code view, paste it, and it seems that it has gone up a little bit on here. So I'm just going to click, hit enter, and then delete once. So now it's kind of spaced out the way I want it. So now I'm going to save this, and I'm going to upload it to my web hosting, and then I'll show you how it works. Alright, I have uploaded the file to my website, and now you can see that it is here live on the internet, and this is what we added, and here's the link. So when I click this, it should take me to Twitter and put everything that we had after that equal sign into a box for me to submit to my Twitter account. So I'm going to click that, and as you can see, it put it in right here to the status box. It says Great Photoshop, Flash, Dreamweaver, and Illustrator tutorials at my website. And now I can just click tweet and put that right in there. Just as an added note, for this to work, you're going to need your user that clicks that link to be already logged into Twitter, but it really isn't a problem because I stay logged into my Twitter all the time, and a lot of other people also stay logged into accounts on the internet all the time, just for ease of access. So you really shouldn't have a problem with that. So you can just click tweet, and then goes in, and it just helps to promote your website. So hope you guys like this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe, rate, and comment, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks.